Hi everyone. In this video we are going to factorizing the expression a here. We got a equal to 9 factor x minus 1 all raised to square minus 4 factor with 2x plus 3 all raised to square. So this look just a simple questions. What we have to do, we need to remember a formulas which is a square minus b square equal to a minus b factor with a plus b. Okay, so this formula we are going to use it in this question. And our question is 9 could be written as 3 square factor with x minus 1 raised to square minus 4 could be written as 2 square 2x plus 3 all raised to square. Okay, so the first term could be written as 3 factor with x minus 1 and all raised to square, and then the second term could be written as 2 factor with 2x plus 3 all raised to square. Then now we can take 3 multiply into the factor here. We got 3x minus 3 raised to square minus 4x plus 6 raised to square, and then we can use the formula which is the first term is represent as a term, so we got 3x minus 3 and then minus 4x minus 6. Okay, and then we got 3x minus 3 plus 4x plus 6. Okay, and then equal to 3x minus 4x negative x, and then minus 3 and minus 6 will be minus 9, and then factor with 3x plus 4x 7x, and then negative 3 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, so then we can factor negative outside of the parentheses, then we will get x plus 9 factor with 7x plus 3. Okay, so here is our answer. Okay, question. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.